Guys, if you're looking to play your favourite classic console games, then get the X10 Pro. Bought this for around £30. 128 gig storage that is jam packed with thousands of games, all in this very little device. On the side there is a HDMI port with a Type-C port, air vents to prevent heating up, 2 USB standard ports to plug in the Bluetooth controllers. Extremely lightweight and small that can fit in your pocket. Super easy to install. Your two controllers do require AA batteries. There's a micro SD card slot on the side. Do leave that remained in the device for it to work. You get a Type-C power cable and a HDMI cable. The controllers are a similar design and touch to the PS5 controllers. Right, to install, plug in your HDMI and USB cable in the device to your TV or monitor. Select your HDMI port on the screen. Now I'm using my PS5 controller at this time and it would only work while plugged in. As for the other controllers that came with it, you simply plug in the Bluetooth USB adapter in the device. Configure your buttons. If it's showing up, you press up on your controller and so on. Check it out, all these consoles packed with your favorite games. SNES, Sega Mega Drive, Atari, N64, Game Boy, PlayStation 1 and much more. Brings back memories. Enjoy, peace.